Hello students, welcome to Medical 360. The Karnataka mock test counseling round data has just been released and I'm going to present to you right now. Right, we've just done one for government medical college in Karnataka in the general merit quota. What I'm going to talk now is the Karnataka uses the mock. So these are also called the mock rounds, right? Where I'm going to talk of all the private medical colleges in the state of Karnataka and what kind of cutoff and what kind of fee would you need to have to be there in any of this private medical college in Karnataka is what I'm going to present. And this series that we're doing, do subscribe to Medical 360 if you've not done that, because we'll create a lot of content to help you out to decide for yourselves in the best possible way. And this advisory and information series is presented by SRM Medical College, Hospital and Research Center, which is affiliated to SRM IST, which is a deemed university based in Chennai in Tamil Nadu. Now let's talk of this, right? I'm presenting it in the Excel sheet as it came to me. The first one is, what are we talking about here? By the way, the mock rounds, I'll tell you how it works, right? Right now, the Karnataka counseling has announced the mock rounds. You can actually make any corrections on this till 20th morning 9 a.m. So, and once you finish that, after that, that's the only thing, that's the final list. It doesn't allow you to modify that, the choice filling again. So just be very clear about this. These are mocks, what you talk about. This typically holds true unless you change it before the 20th, which is day after, right? So just be very clear about this. And we'll talk of private medical colleges. The cutoff that you have for the students who are from the state of Karnataka and the cutoff that you have for the students beyond the state of Karnataka, which is all India minus Karnataka. And all private medical colleges. We'll also talk about the fee that is being charged. Right. The first one is St. John's Medical College, Bangalore. The fee is 8,10,535. For the student of Karnataka, is 20,740 is the all India rank list. And for the outside Karnataka, it's 9,127. I'm talking of mock after round one. Remember that. Right. Then Kempegowda Institute of Medical Sciences, 12 lakhs is the fee. The rank, highest closing cutoff rank for the student of Karnataka is 8,654. For all India, it is 34,710. Then you have Vaidehi Institute of Medical Science and Research Center in Bangalore again. The fee is 12 lakh, 94,796 for the student of Karnataka, 36,906 for the student outside the state of Karnataka. Father Muller Institute of Medical Education Research, Father Muller Road, Bengaluru, 12 lakh is the fees. 86,600 is the, for the student of Karnataka. 37,256 for the student outside Karnataka. B.R. Ambedkar Medical College, Bangalore, 12 lakh fees. 1,08,104 for the student of Karnataka. 44,518 for outside the home state. BGS Global Institute of Medical Sciences, Kangeri, Bengaluru, 12 lakh is the fee again. 1,04,206 also student got it for the student of Karnataka. 48,610 for the student outside the state of Karnataka. Sri Jaya Jagadguru Murugarajendra Medical College, Devangere, 12 lakh is the fee again. 1,08,615 for the student of Karnataka. 50,336 for the student outside the state of Karnataka. AJ Institute of Medical Sciences, NS8, Mangaluru, 12 lakh fees. 1,09,269, 50,550. MBJ Medical College and Research Center in Channasandra, Bangalore, 12 lakh fees. 1,14,283 for students of Karnataka. 52,661 for the students outside the state of Karnataka. Akash Institute of Medical Science and Research Center, 12 lakh fees. 1,32,674 for the students of Karnataka. 56,822 for the students outside the state of Karnataka. Oxford Medical College and Research Center, 1,31,879 for the student of Karnataka. 60,575 for the student outside Karnataka. Shamanuru Shivashankarappa Institute of Medical Sciences, 12 lakh is the fee again. 1,21,169 for the students of Karnataka. 62,822 for the students outside Karnataka. We'll move to the next level. Mahadevappa Rampura Medical College, Mahadevapura, 1,26,418 for the students of Karnataka. 64,717 for the students outside the state of Karnataka. East Point College of Medical Sciences, 1,38,191 for the students of Karnataka. 65,970 for the students outside the state of Karnataka. Kanachur Institute of Medical Science and Research Center, Mangalore, 12 lakh is the fee again. All this is 12 lakh is the fee, but for one of them, MS Ramaya, which is 25 lakh by the way. And there is another one for 22.65 lakh, right? 1,44,500 for students of Karnataka, 72,627 for the students outside Karnataka. Sri S. Nijalingappa Medical College and Research Center, Bagalkot, 137,289 is for the students of Karnataka, 74,844 for outside state, and fees is so much. Siddhaganga Medical College, 12 lakh, 129,743 for Karnataka, 74,866 beyond Karnataka. MS Ramaya Medical College, Bengaluru, 1,54,943 for within Karnataka, 77,099 outside the state. Al Amin Medical College, Administrative Block, Vijaypur, 132,878 within the state, 77,471 outside the state. Navodaya Medical College, Raichur, 148,059 for within the state, 82,113 for outside the state students. Sridevi Institute of Medical Science and Research Center, Tumkur, 147,423 for within the state, 83,778 for outside the state of Karnataka. Subbaiah Institute of Medical Sciences, Shimoga, 136,094 for within the state, 83,843 for outside the state. Sri Chamundeshwari Medical College Hospital and Research Center, Ramanagara, 136,733 for within Karnataka, 87,314 for outside Karnataka. Sri Basaveshwara Medical College and Hospital, 168,819 for within the state, 88,858 for outside the state. SR Patil Medical College Hospital and Research Center, 149,792 for within the state, 88,894 for outside the state. Remember, you need to, any changes that you want, you need to do it before the 20th, which is day after. Sri Venkataramana Gowda Medical College and Hospital, Dakshina Kannada, 148,359 for within the state, 89,861 for outside the state. GR Medical College Hospital and Research Center, Mangalore, 161,798 for within the state, 92,288 for outside the state of Karnataka. Moving further, Farooq Academy of Medical Education Hospital and Research Institute, Mysore District, 1,50,863 for within the state, 93,980 for outside the state. Alvas Institute of Medical Science and Research Center, DK, 142,703 for within the state, 94,389 for outside the state. Khaja Bande Nawaz Institute of Medical Sciences, Gulbarga, 171,109 for within the state, 1,17,390 for outside the state. SDM College of Medical Science and Hospital, PB Road, Dharwad, 163,881 for within the state, 117,501 for outside the state. Sri Madhusudan Sai Institute of Medical Science and Research, Muddinahalli, Chikkaballapura, 214,443 for within the state, 1,30,546 for outside the state. PES University Institute of Medical Science and Research, Electronic City, Bangalore, 2,11,095 for within the state, 170,532 for outside the state. Adichunchagiri Institute of Medical Sciences, Bellur, Mandya District, 237,937 for within Karnataka, 191,080 for outside the state. Saptagiri Institute of Medical Sciences, Chikkasandra, Bangalore, 263,430 for within the state, 193,093 for outside the state. BGS Medical College and Hospital, Bangalore. By the way, here the fees suddenly jumped up, and when you see the fee jumping up, you also see the cutoffs also jumping up. That you can very clearly see. BGS Medical College and Hospital, Bangalore, 258,187 for within the state, 193,398 for outside the state. The fee is 22.15 lakh. Sri Chandramma Dayanand Sagar Institute of Medical Sciences, 22.15 lakh fee, 244,399 for within the state, 206,147 for outside the state. Srinivasa Institute of Medical Science Research Center, Srinivas Nagar, Mangalore, 22.25 lakh is the fee per annum, 294,697 for within the state of Karnataka, 234,187 for outside the state of Karnataka. So that is what you have. You have about 39 institutions that are listed out here. This is a mock round. You have chance to correct anything in the choice filling by the 20th of the month, which is 2 days away. Whatever you do then is a final thing. After that, the Karnataka State Council doesn't give an opportunity to correct yourself again. So remember, you should be very, very careful, very cautious. These are data that's coming out through the UGC first mocks that is coming up, and then you will actually have the final list coming out very, very soon after the corrections are done. So go after that. In all possibility, this will not change. But what happens is when a new bunch of students who do not participate in counseling in the mocks come in, then it actually alters. So to that extent, this will only go lower and but not higher is what our understanding is. But go through this and you will understand better. If you need anything, please do write to us in the message box. I'll be happy to cover that for you. This is a large series that we're doing, and this advisory and information series is presented by SRM Medical College, Hospital and Research Center, which is a deemed university based in Tamil Nadu in Chennai, affiliated to SRM IST. Thank you so much. Namaste.